Okay guys, so we do have quite a lot of questions in already. There's no point in us delaying any further. We have a very good question from Pratik, and any of the questions that come through we enjoy reading out, particularly if they're difficult questions or if they're pointing out realities. It makes sense. We have a question. James, it's much easier to see channels and trends and historical charts, but not in real time, especially intraday. Totally right, Pratik, and I'm sensing that you've traded yourself previously. The examples we gave of crude and gold in real time should be of value here. Intraday trading for a new trader trying to catch trends that you expect to continue long term, I wouldn't be overly confident until you've proven your skill set on those longer time periods. So that's why we focus on those longer time periods, because it's the correct environment for a new trader to learn how to trade. Yes, the idea of picking a trend can be difficult, but we're not actually picking trends. We're picking entry orders on both sides, and then we'd manage the trades accordingly. So I hope that's answered the question. Big questions in terms of which team we'd be supporting, and it's a tough one to call for this evening. Will the slides be available? We prefer to focus on the videos instead, Christian. Balkaran, in terms of graphs, we're going to help out with that in the future. Do you, Anders asks, do you always go short and long at the same time? Not all of the time, but for many of the methods that we've used, we look for both sides of the fence to try and find the best opportunities. Okay? Brent has said, do you switch trading different asset classes depending on which is providing the clearest signal? Yes, we trade a diverse range of markets, but if we had two signals at the same time and we were only in a position to take one as a result of the risks associated, we'd obviously take the stronger position, Brent. But very, very good question. Okay, so Martin has said, Martin likes to trade his own stock exchange. Where can you find graphs for that particular exchange? And you should be able to find it with most brokers, Martin. That exchange is listed on them. What time frames for analysis should we use? 1 day charts, Mike. How do you place an entry order? Yeah, you'll do that through broker software, Helgi, and it's usually quite straightforward to catch. Justin has said, okay, so you simply wait for the breakout and then place your order. No, you'll place your order prior to the breakout and it will be filled if it happened. The art form and the skill form is exactly where to place the trade, where to place the stop, and how to take the profit. Saying we're going to buy a breakout, you need more precision for your full strategy, okay? Clinton has said, with so many charts, are we supposed to check all, or is there a way to know which one should be looked at? Yes, your strategy should filter through the market. You should be able to find them as a result. Lawrence, great to have you on board as well. What do you think about trading using a robot? I don't think very much about it, to be perfectly honest, son. I've yet to see anybody achieve consistency in terms of automated solutions on a retail level. I know the investment banks spend a very large amount for automated strategies, and yet their human sides typically make more profit. For new traders such as yourselves, the automated solutions are typically structured simply to generate spreads more so than anything else.